In today's video, I'll show you how to create a clean and structured opening where multiple horizontal sections move into place and reveal your video. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is already placed at the beginning of the timeline. This type of reveal works best when it introduces the content clearly. Tap on the video clip to select it. Once selected, go to the bottom toolbar and tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab. This section controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Window Rows, then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, the video is revealed through multiple moving rows, creating a clean and organized visual entry. Use the duration slider to control how fast the rows move. A shorter duration makes the reveal quicker and more dynamic. A longer duration creates a smoother and more professional feel. Preview the animation and fine-tune the timing so the motion feels balanced with your content. And that's it. You've successfully added a window rows reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.